If you're looking for ways to grow your agency quickly, you're not alone. The competition is fierce, with over 50,000 digital marketing agencies in the US alone. HighLevel is the all-in-one platform designed to help agencies streamline operations, automate marketing, and close more deals. In this video, we'll dive into 5 ways HighLevel can help you scale your agency faster and more efficiently. We'll explore how this powerful platform can transform your agency from attracting more leads to delivering exceptional client results. As your agency grows, managing clients can feel like juggling chainsaws. More projects, deadlines, and communication make it easy to drop the ball. HighLevel's CRM offers a unified hub for all client interactions. Imagine having all your client data, tasks, and billing in one place. No more jumping between tools or losing track of emails. Automate follow-ups to ensure no lead slips through the cracks. Track every client interaction for a clear overview. Assign tasks, set deadlines, and track progress easily. Keep your team on the same page and projects on track. HighLevel's CRM brings order to chaos and drives growth. Time is your most valuable asset, and as an agency owner, you're always short on it. Marketing automation is no longer a luxury, it's a necessity. HighLevel's features free you from tedious tasks so you can focus on strategy and growth. Imagine nurturing leads on autopilot with personalized email sequences. HighLevel does the heavy lifting for you. Automate SMS reminders to keep leads engaged. Schedule and publish content across platforms, maintaining a consistent online presence. This translates into more leads, higher conversion rates, and faster growth. Streamline your sales process. Close deals faster with HighLevel's sales pipeline management. A clunky, inefficient sales process can be a major bottleneck for agency growth. HighLevel's robust sales funnel management tools provide a clear, visual representation of your sales pipeline, allowing you to track leads, identify bottlenecks, and optimize your process for maximum conversions. Imagine this. A lead fills out a form on your website, and HighLevel automatically adds them to your sales pipeline. You can then trigger personalized email sequences, schedule follow-up calls, and even send proposals and contracts, all from within the HighLevel platform. This level of automation eliminates manual data entry, reduces the risk of errors, and ensures your sales team has the information they need to close deals faster. HighLevel streamlines your sales process from start to finish, empowering you to convert more leads into paying clients and drive sustainable agency growth. Client campaign management made easy scale your services without sacrificing quality. As your agency grows, so does the complexity of managing client campaigns. HighLevel's campaign management tools are designed to help you handle more client work without sacrificing quality. Imagine having access to a library of pre-built campaign templates that you can customize to your client's specific needs. This saves you valuable time and ensures your campaigns are built on a solid foundation. HighLevel also provides powerful reporting and analytics dashboards. You can track campaign performance in real time, identify areas for improvement, and generate detailed reports to share with your clients. HighLevel empowers you to deliver exceptional results for your clients even as you scale your agency. The power of one, unlocking exponential growth with HighLevel's all-in-one platform. As your agency expands, managing a patchwork of different tools becomes a recipe for disaster. HighLevel brings all the essential tools for agency growth under one roof. We're talking CRM, marketing automation, client communication, reputation management, and so much more. This eliminates the need for multiple subscriptions, reduces software costs, and simplifies your workflow significantly. When all your agency data lives in one central location, you gain powerful insights into your business. You can identify trends, track performance across all areas, and make data-driven decisions that fuel growth. Businesses using integrated platforms report a 20% increase in operational efficiency. HighLevel empowers you to streamline your operations, improve collaboration, and focus on what truly matters, delivering exceptional client results and scaling your agency to new heights. Ready to scale your agency? So what are you waiting for? Try HighLevel with our 14-day free trial and experience the transformation firsthand. You've seen how HighLevel can revolutionize your agency's operations, from attracting more leads to delivering exceptional client results. It's time to ditch the overwhelm, streamline your workflow, and unlock exponential growth. Click the link below to get started.